Hi cookers around the world!
Welcome again to a new cooking episode.
Today we're cooking Argentine food.
On this video we will show you how to cook some Argentine typical dishes.
We chose empanadillas or a small turnover. We hope you like it.
Before we start, we have to say that we decided to make the dog on the empanadillas on our own, without buying it done. That's why the dish is a little more complicated, but at the same time very simple. In case you just want to know how to cook the inside of it, advance the video.
Now we can start. For this recipe, we will need several ingredients, and we will start with the dog. We need 110 milliliters of water, 80 milliliters of oil, 280 grams of flour and salt. And on the other hand, we have the filling, which will be done by 2 cans of tuna, 2 tomatoes, and 3 eggs.
The first step is to fill the pot with enough water to cook 2 eggs and heat it up. Then, we will measure the amount of water we will need for the dough in a measuring recipient. And on a different pot, heat it just like the other one, but this time adding some salt. While we wait for the water to boil, we will weigh the flour and save it for later. Once we have this and the water of the dough is ready, we will take it out of the stove burner and put it in a big bowl, being careful that we don't burn ourselves.
In that same bowl, we will also add the oil at the same time we are measuring it. Before it cools again, we will introduce the flour to it while we stir all the mix, so we don't have any lumps left. It has to look like this, and we have to let it cool for a few minutes.
The next step is to add the eggs to the boiling water, previously prepared, and let them cook for about 12 minutes. Now we are going to start with the filling. We would open 2 cans of tuna, put them in a bowl, and with the help of a fork we will start squashing it. Then we will peel the 2 tomatoes and cut them in very small pieces. At the end, they have to look like fried tomatoes, but healthier, grind up. When they achieve the texture that we were looking for, we will add it to the bowl where is the tuna and save it.
After that, the egg will be done and we would take them out of the stove burner carefully and let them cool in a colander until they don't burn, passing through cold water. While they repose, we are going to put some flour on the marble, put the dog on it, start shaping it so it takes form, make a ball with it, and let them there a little more so the oil part disappears.
Straight away, we will take out the shell of the eggs and put them into small pieces. Then we will add it to the mix and start mixing it all, so we have our stuff done. Now, we will leave that away and we focus on the outside of the empanadilla. We will spread flour on the marble again and we will roll out the dough until it's as thin as possible. With the help of a round wall, we would make as many circle marks on it possibly to start giving form to our dish.
Before anything else, it is time to preheat the oven at 150 degrees, so it is ready when we need it, and prepare the oven paper on the tray. In each circle, we will put a little filling on the middle, and we will close them while we shape them with the help of a fork. To present them correctly, we will beat an egg and make use of a brush. Paint the empanadillas to give them a better color when they get out of the oven.
Finally, bake them for about 15 minutes and take a look that they don't burn. With the dough and stuffing left, you can make small balls so you can take advantage of all you used, or more empanadillas. In our case, we only made 8 of them. When they are done, take them out of the oven and wait for them to cool before eating because they would be better. As we always say, one of the most important steps of all recipes is to clean what you get dirty, so remember it. This is the perfect dinner you can make at home with the help of your grandmother and enjoy them with your family. It is not very simple, but in the end, the time you spend doing it is completely worth it when you get to taste its flavor. It's delicious, you have to try it.